Awesome. Yo, pills. Oh, I don't have pot. That lemon pill was laughing, and then there was poop coming out of her, and she ate the poop and got sick. So that. Y'all baby was wicked, went, and then some poop came out, and then she ate the poop and got sick. That's so stupid. No, it's a crocodile. Don't remember, crocodile was eating poop, and then it came out of his nose, and there was a booger in the poop, but he didn't notice, and when he ate it, he got sick. And so, but the food got stuck. Oh, the cat got pot. The cat got pot. Y'all remember what Dada was? Y'all remember what those ear could see stuff? But it was. Oh, a parent's gotta sneeze. A parent's gotta sneeze. One parent's gotta sneeze. Get off of me, Bubbu! Y'all remember when Penguin was talking gibberish, and then there was poop coming out, and then she ate the poop, and then she got choked. She got choked. You need to go fuck up ice cream. And dogs got what? Dogs got what? Can you please leave me alone, Bubbu? Jeez. No, my love. Let's kick Bubbu out. No. I can see you. Only four of the people's left. Shoot. People's gonna sneeze. People's gonna sneeze. The dog's gonna sneeze. The dog's gonna sneeze. Oh, the little crocodiles. Hey, y'all. Oh, do you have to pee? Do you have to pee? Do you? A crocodile's got hot when the crocodile's got hot. Come on, monkey! That's not for you. That's for my precious penguin. Now you want to play with some poo-poo. Can someone please understand how to play with poo-poo? Oh. Who's poo-poo, you may ask? Poo-poo is seemed like a version of I don't know, cause that's why I gotta show you. The new Naruto Skibbers. So you want to answer, and then her eyes, no, and then she will, and do the. Why is everyone having it's not teaching me? A crocodile's got what? A crocodile's got what? You really got what? Well, son of a pickle. I was gonna sneeze on it. I was gonna sneeze. Hey, only Bubbu can say that. You kicked me out of the game. The cat's gotta sneeze when the cat's gotta sneeze. Oh, just someone just say I was gonna sneeze when I was gonna sneeze. Whoever told you, some penguin? Whoever told you can eat my chili? Whoever told you can do a disco pie with penguin? Whoever told you? What's so funny? Oh wait, I think I missed it. The dog's got a pot one. The dog's got a pot. Yeah, that's why And that's why crocodile and owl just don't return. Can you change your voice? That's right. I'm a voice to change my voice. Why? I don't know why you tell like this. That's why you're fun. And that's why someone can't help you. I have no idea what you're saying. Now, everyone's afraid. A parent's got what? When a parent's got what? Don't laugh. A cat's gotta sneeze when a cat's gotta sneeze. I was gonna. A dog's got what when a dog's got poo it. Ew, I was gonna poo with it. I was gonna poo it. I don't poo it. Alright, enough with the manners, Bubbu. Owl doesn't poo it. Jeez, you're stupid. I'm kicking him out of the game. It's too much for me. I can still see him. A parent's gotta sneeze when a parent's gotta sneeze. Don't you sit there, bro. How did you see that if he was on the left? Because I know when someone says that, oh, a parent's got a pot when a parent's got a pot. A crocodile was got that with the stink out. A crocodile was got that with the stink out. Yeah! I have no idea what any of that means. So who's gonna say the thing now? Oh, I should continue being in the house. Hey, Owl, can you continue being in the house? Well, I'm looking at you, because you're in the house. This is your game. Did you just hear crocodile sneeze? Can you shut up? Okay, he is so going crazy. That makes no sense. I didn't know how he was sneeze or fart. Don't know if it's a crocodile's got farts. Crocodile's got fart. Crocodile's got sneeze. Crocodile's shut up, crocodile. I'm reading here. Jeez, that was so funny. Keep shut up, crocodile. I'm busy. Well, at least I could be on that side. Okay, yeah, we should. Why is they in? Oh, that's why. I will give Penguin a kiss. Yay! You just made me blush. Yeah, a dog's got a puppy's got a puppy when a puppy. A puppy's got a penguin when a puppy's got a puppy. I'll see you tomorrow. Shut up. Man, you better shut up. I know, right, crocodile? Yay! Why can't be me? Yay! It looked like pig. Hey, don't sneeze on me! Why crocodile always gonna sneeze on me? Yay! Oh, that's why I don't know I'm supposed to be here. And the body! And the body! You're staring at me. You're staring at me. And the body. And the body. Hey, Alan, we're wearing the same shirts. And the body. I don't think I ever said that in Cambodia. Yeah, Cambodia was a good place, but I think we should head back home. Crocodile, would you shut up? Oh, guys, not fight. Uh-oh, you're in trouble. Don't call. Don't call. Don't call. Don't call. Yay! Man, this guy won't give up, will he? Don't call. Answer. No. Crocodile and Dodger. Please report to my main office. You was a bad boy. Oh, look what you done, Penguin. This is all your fault. How is this my fault when you guys didn't ring the bell? We didn't want to answer it. Jeez, you ruin every day, Penguin. Oh, now I know I'm not in this mood. Now I know I won't be here. Now I feel bad. I'm so glad I got rid of her. Guys, are y'all okay? What's going on? I heard Penguin was like in my face, but she just said she was feeling bad. What happened? Sorry if it wouldn't happen to Dodo. Penguin, come here, sweetheart. Oh, what is it? You put the ice and fish me a hot dog with mustard on it at 8 o'clock. Can you ask him that when he comes out of the bathroom? Oh guys, I feel bad. Yeah. Why? Because he was the boys that didn't answer the call. Baby, don't worry about it. I can hear you, you know. Oh, what? You got big ears like me? Yeah, you got big ears like Dodo. Crocodile, you don't have ears. Jeez, I wish me and Penguin could get some ears. I know, right? And I wish I would too. But she attacks me.
It's okay to feel disappointed. We all have gifts to share. Sometimes you have to look a little closer to find them.
Hot dog. Oh, she's over here. Can't wait, Penny. Come out here. Come here, sweetie. Okay, this is good. This is gonna be good. Hey, wait for the bone. Oh, this doesn't look like it's gonna be good. Leave him alone. He's mine. Hurt my feelings. You don't get to see. I can still see you. We can still see you. What's it sound? What's it sound? Why is that on? That should be off. There's too much noise in here. Yay! Bubbu! Ah! I was in my chair every day. I don't want pig anymore. Oh, good. Come on, Bubbu. Just give Piglet a kiss. No. Oh, it's over here. Hey, let's go get Mary's house. Okay, Cream. Bunny. Let me call you Cream. Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. No, is this seat taken? That's my seat. Look at your own. Actually, that is Pig's seat. Yeah, Pig, look at your own seat. Get off of me, Pig. Let's go. There is no loving. Hey, teacher, it's not what it looks like. I wasn't kissing Bubbu. Oh, I'm you got in trouble. Yeah, she got in trouble. Come on, let's sit together. Yes. Oh, it's like Bubbu and the little upset. Yeah, they are upset. Bro, I'm giving you kisses. Gee, don't look your face at me. I'm giving you kisses, Bonnie. Wait, why we love each other? I don't know. Yeah! Don't cut me! No! To be continued.